In the next few videos, we will be looking at series and similar notation. A series is built up from a sequence by adding the terms of a sequence. So you will start with the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. If you add then 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 and so on, you get a series. Let's consider the sequence UN. U1, U2, U3, and so on. If you add the first n terms of this sequence, U1 plus U2 until UN, and call it Sn, denote it by Sn, we call this the n partial sum of the sequence. And you have these two results, which tells you U1 is actually S1, UN is actually Sn minus Sn minus 1. So let me explain to you why U1 is S1 and UN is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Remember, we define Sn to be U1 plus U2 plus U3 all the way to UN. So before you reach UN, you should reach UN minus 1. So Sn is U1 plus U2 plus U3 all the way until UN minus 1 and UN. So S1 means you add the first term. S2 means you add the first two terms. S3 means you add the first three terms. So that's why U1 is same as S1, because Sn means you add the first n term. So S1 means you just add the first term. So S1 and U1 has the same value. So let's look at Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1 means U1 plus U2 all the way to UN minus 1. So now let's take Sn and subtract Sn minus 1. Then you will find that basically you subtract away all these terms from Sn. Right? So this part is actually Sn minus 1. So if you subtract Sn minus 1 from Sn, basically you cancel all this. So you left with just the term Un. So that's how we get UN is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So UN is Sn minus Sn minus 1. You look at how to use this to find a formula for UN in the next video, the next example.